Hi, in front of me is Thomson TO 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Google section after scrolling down. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!